Every building is vulnerable to condensation, dampness or mold. Other dehumidifiers are only designed to work while in attendance, but not Dryfan. The Dryfan is a professional dehumidifier that keeps drying where others stop. The new Dryfan overcomes the problems of dehumidifiers in the past and stops the humidity effects of excess moisture, regardless whether your home is heated or not. Because of its lightweight size, the unit can be installed almost anywhere, even upside down, from floors to ceilings and walls. Instead of a reservoir, it's equipped with an exhaust that vents away moisture. All you need is common ducting, available in any do-it-yourself store or from eCall Pro. Through the exhaust, Dryfan discharges the water directly outside, safe and able to operate 24/7. Dryfan has a built-in humidity sensor and regulator that allows you to set a humidity level for your home. The Dryfan works fully automatic, designed to work all day, every day. It uses new zeolite technology instead of a potentially hazardous compressor to extract moisture from the air. It also has a triple safety sensor that perhaps makes Dryfan the safest dehumidifier available on the market today. Are you looking for a small, simple and safe dehumidifier that can run non-stop? Choose the Dryfan by eCall Pro.